Dear students and parents, this concept it is very important. Now we will recap what we have learned so far. Usually to improve our handwriting we write in 4 lines. This is the first line, second line, third line and the fourth line. Third line usually we call this as a writing line. Okay. So for our convenience we can divide this into 3 zones. This is top zone, this is mid zone and this is bottom zone. According to these 3 zones we can divide 26 letters into 4 major categories. The first category we call them as ascenders. They move above the writing line. Ascenders are L, B, H, K, D and T. And we have 6 letters descenders. They are G, J, Y, Z and P, Q. They use as mid zone and the bottom zone. And F is the only trizone letter which uses all the 3 zones. And we have 13 mid-zone letters. They are A, C, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W and X. So from this it is very clear all 26 letters uses mid-zone. Okay. In beautiful handwriting, regulating the mid-zone it is very important. Okay. Now, see, directly we cannot go from 4 lines to single line. We cannot go from 4 lines to single line. So what we do from here onwards, we don't give you the first line and the fourth line. We remove this line. So what we will do, for example, if you want to write little, okay, observe. We need to write from the second line, at least we should extend it for 5 mm at least. 3 mm will be the height of the mid zone. Total height of the letter should not more than 8 mm. If you have any descender, even that should be extended for 5 mm. Okay, we never take the height of the descender. So directly we cannot go from 4 lines to single line. We need to write in 2 lines. Okay, regulating the mid zone it is very important. In page number in test 12, see, you have all the A to Z, all the shape of the letters. So here what you have to do is at least 5 mm they have to move above the writing line. Okay, the second line after above the second line. Just observe. Okay, at least 5 mm you have to move. And how to make the words in 2 lines? Just observe. At least 5 mm you have to move above the second line. This is the second line, this is the third line. So this will be approximately the first line, and if you have any descender, even that should be extend for 5 mm. Okay, so don't forget to trace whatever written in the cursive. And in test 13 you have the descenders. Okay, so this will be the perfect 4th line. Okay, this is how to write. And then this page, this is very important, cursive capitals in 2 lines. Where to write cursive capitals in 2 lines? This you need to observe carefully. Okay, trace them properly. Already you know how to write cursive capitals. So in this we will teach you how to write in 2 lines. Okay, thank you.